Hi, I'm Matthew Raby, Executive Director for the Upper Canada District School Board International Education Program. The Upper Canada District School Board is located in Eastern Ontario in one of Canada's most historic and traditional communities with extremely welcoming citizens and beautiful nature all around. We're located between the cities of Ottawa, about a 30-minute to 1-hour drive, the city of Montreal, about a 1 to 2-hour drive, and the city of Toronto, about a 2.5 to 3.5 hour drive. So right in the middle of what we might call the Golden Triangle in Canada. The Upper Canada District School Board follows the world-renowned Ontario curriculum. We have very high teaching standards, curriculum, and exceptional teachers that take dedicated time with each student to help them find their individual goals and find their dreams for success within our public schools from the K-12 level, both at elementary, middle, and high school levels. We offer flexible and dynamic academic programs that are adaptable to each student's unique goals and interests. We help a student prepare for their future. And our goal, our mission indeed, is to prepare students for a global future, whether that future be attending university or college in Canada with a pathway to a career in Canada, or studying in another country, maybe even returning back to their home country. But regardless, our goal is to support each student with their unique goals, with their unique interests, building on their strengths, on what they're talented and strong at, to help them realize their ultimate success. We recognize that our role as educators at the K-12 level is a fundamental building block to their future. So we recognize and prepare them for, again, post-secondary education, and beyond that, to their career and for a successful global life. Sports are an extremely important and fundamental aspect of the academic environment in all Upper Canada District School Board schools. In fact, we are leaders not only amongst schools and district school boards across the province of Ontario, but across Canada. We're recognized as leaders in sports, trying to engage all students into sports, recognizing the opportunity that they present for creating learning opportunities, social building, social skills, creating dynamic teamwork skills. So many things come from sports. So indeed, they're a great place for a student to practice and have fun in the sport they enjoy, but we recognize sports as a part of an overall healthy lifestyle that prepares students in their academic journey and for a successful global life. International students residing with us at the Upper Canada District School Board have the opportunity to live with a Canadian family in homestay, in a family that speaks English as a first language, or perhaps French as a first language, and maybe a bilingual family based on where we're located. We do have families who speak both English and French in the homestay environment. But regardless, it is an English community, and the reality for our homestay families is that they're welcoming students into their home and into their family life to help provide a safe and welcoming place for a student to live comfortably, learn about the culture of Canada, prepare some very important skills for the student's future, including self-resiliency, self-advocacy, and teamwork, so many skills that are learned through the homestay experience as well. So the student, when they're experiencing life in Upper Canada, can live comfortably not only with us, but prepare, again, for a successful and happy global future. Now, we also offer a dynamic opportunity, very unique and innovative in Canada, for students to live in a boarding facility with our partners at Fulford Academy while attending a public school. So they get this very structured lifestyle, very clear expectations as far as the supports and activities they're going to experience on a day-to-day basis in the boarding facility, while at the same time having the integration and immersion opportunity with Canadian students and Canadian teachers at a public school. So we do that through our partnership with Fulford Academy that's been long established and very successful in preparing students for a global future. Very proud to offer both homestay and boarding options for accommodations while international students are studying at Upper Canada District School Board schools. Flexible, dynamic, and supportive.